Consume honey and bananas mixture for 7 days, these benefits you will get. Today we will talk about the health benefits of honey and bananas combination. Also, include a simple recipe to prepare this mixture and use it at home. To know all the details, keep watching this video until the end. Honey and bananas are the two most popular foods which are eaten all over the world. In traditional Chinese medicine, honey has been used for over 2,000 years to treat infectious diseases, allergies, wounds and stomach-related problems. It was also used by the ancient Egyptians for embalming, preserving foods and binding wounds after surgery. Bananas originated in East Asia and are used as a healthy food source. The yellow variety which we eat nowadays was discovered in 1836 in Jamaica. By eating a mixture of banana and honey for at least 7 days, you will boost your body's energy levels and experience some wonderful health benefits. The raw honey contains powerful antioxidants that boost healthy body function when eaten regularly. This complements the complex carbohydrates found in the bananas to give you lots of energy throughout the day. The tryptophan found in bananas also makes you feel calmer, more relaxed, and aware. The combination of honey with this helps you to focus on your daily tasks with higher concentration. If you suffer from stomach issues, such as peptic ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, celiac disease, or gastritis, you can use an extra tablespoon of honey in the morning to help ease and cure these conditions. Today's recipe is also excellent to support heart health. The honey helps to reduce plaque in the arteries whilst the bananas contain the mineral potassium, which is essential for a regular heartbeat. Bananas also reduce the risk of heart disease and control blood pressure. Raw honey can help prevent the onset of diabetes, and is well known as an aid for this condition. The natural sugars are more easily digested and processed by the body, lowering blood glucose spikes. Bananas also help to reduce insulin sensitivity. You can use today's recipe at any time during the day. Many athletes use this before and after workouts to keep energy levels high. It is also said to reduce muscle cramps too. The combination of bananas with honey provides you with a great range of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin B6, which helps your metabolism, liver, nerves, eyes, and skin. Now, let's take a look at the recipe to prepare this mixture. You will need 1 medium or large banana, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 to 2 rye or wheat crackers. Preparation method. Use a butter knife to spread the raw honey across your crackers, and slice the banana thinly. Layer the banana over the honey so that it sticks. You can also add a sprinkle of Ceylon cinnamon to add an extra touch of spicy flavor if you wish. We recommend eating this in the afternoon as a replacement for heavy lunches. Try eating this mixture for 7 days and let us know in the comments how you feel. Studies have shown these ingredients to aid weight loss by boosting the metabolism, lowering sugar cravings and reducing triglycerides, a fat found in the blood. You will be less likely to snack on unhealthy foods as this is very satisfying and keeps you feeling full. Be sure to purchase raw honey for this recipe, as cheaper varieties are filled with corn syrup and unhealthy sugars, whereas raw honey contains only natural sugars that are good for you. I hope this short information may help to maintain your health. If you like this information, please hit the thumbs up button on the video to support us. You can share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about natural remedies and healthy foods, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit. And thanks for watching.